guys, welcome to Current Information TV YouTube channel. We are farming to about the earthquake updates. Today, earthquake is occurred in Chile. According to the German research, a geological sense, a strong magnitude 3.7, 57 km east of Arica, Parancota, Chile, on 24th February 2022. Occurred at local time is 4:51 am and its depth was recorded at 111 km. For more new information, visit my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment and subscribe and press bell icon for notification. Thank you.